is the lovely curry lobster in coconut sauce. Guys, this is some curry lobster, and this is gonna be in coconut milk. So I'm just letting this simmer a little, and then I'm gonna add my coconut milk. This lobster is already cooked, so it doesn't need any cooking time in the curry. I'm just letting it simmer a little so you can absorb all these lovely flavors from the curry and also from this. So there it is, guys. Here is a lovely lobster. And there it is in the coconut sauce. So guys, this is the lovely curry lobster in coconut sauce. And remember to tell somebody about Miss Brown. Tell them what I'm doing over here and invite them over. Tell them any audience can watch my video. So feel free to come on over with